In this demonstration, I'm going to demonstrate logging on to Google Docs using Auth365 as the federated identity provider. And in that federated identity provider, I'm going to use an Azuan browser hardening session to manage the logon and authentication process. To do this, I'm just running up a virtual machine and a browser within that virtual machine to access the service. So I would typically go to the Google Docs domain that I've set up called auth365.com, and because I've set federated identity with Auth365, it will redirect to Auth365 to manage the authentication process. From here I could type in my username and PIN code. I could use the Auth QR reader on my mobile phone, or as I'm going to demonstrate here, I could create a browser hardening session with Azuan. So if I click on the Azuan icon, that will then create a new browser environment, completely isolating me from the rest of the machine. So I can't Alt-Tab, I can't go and cut and paste to other parts of the system, and it prevents a lot of malicious attacks that could occur between the process of typing in your credentials and accessing that service. Now, although I could use Auth365 in this environment with my mobile phone and a two-factor, in this case I've just got a fixed PIN code for this user. So first of all, I'm going to type in the user's details. The PIN code, and by logging in, it will then ask me to shut down the browser hardening environment and redirect me back to the original browser and log me in automatically to Google Docs. Now this works with any claims-based service that can accept SAML tokens, so for example Office 365, Google Docs, Google Apps, Google Mail, and also Salesforce.com.